Top 5 CMA US job roles in 2025. Now, before we begin this topic, I think it's very important to understand as a student the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. अगर आप ये समझोगे तभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि as a CMA US candidate, having completed your CMA, what kind of job roles can you be ready for? Okay, so first let's dive into this. Now, firstly, let's understand कि एक financial accountant होता है whose responsibility basically is getting that P&L up, getting that balance sheet up. So somebody whose concentration is more on financial reporting, okay? And of course, associated taxes, compliances, that. On the other hand, management accountant is somebody who works very closely with the management of an organization to drive so many things, right? So he looks at data and he's able to analyze the past, measure performances of various teams and probably comment on it. Use that data to drive a lot of decisions in business. Use that data to predict the future, forecast and budget and plan for the future. And of course, somebody who participates actively in the strategy of an organization. So, very nicely, IMA puts it up by saying that a financial accountant is somebody who understands the how of the numbers, but a management accountant is somebody who understands the why behind the numbers. अब अगर आपको ये समझ में आया तो then let's quickly dive in understanding the top 5 job roles of CMA US candidates, right? Number 1, I would say, is a cost controller. I think as a management accountant and obviously having completed your CMA, you understand costing extremely well, right? So cost controller is somebody जिसका पूरा responsibility होता है in managing the costs of an organization, which is so critical because ultimately that is what is going to affect your margins, that is what is going to affect your pricing. So managing the outflows of an organization, right, as a cost controller. Second, I would say is a financial planning and analysis. So typically when you look at job roles like business analyst, financial analyst, these are people who are working in the FP&A of an organization, financial planning and analysis department. और इनका typical role होता है in making reports, using data basically to analyze a lot of past performances, using data to basically make budgets for the future, budgets for the times to come. So financial planning and analysis again is a very critical role of management accountants. Number 3, I would say, is corporate finance, right? So typically if you look at roles like finance controller, right, at least at the earlier stages. So it's people or teams who manage the finances in and out of an organization, right? So finance controller, typically part of corporate finance, is a very important job role. Number 4, I would say, is internal audit, because obviously, as management accountants, you understand the importance of processes, systems, internal controls. So I think internal audit is again a very common area I've seen management accountants excel at. And number 5, I would say, is strategy, right? Now I think एक बहुत important skill जो management accountants का होता है is in driving business strategy, because you understand the core of a business, you understand what it means to sort of build that business, right? So I've seen management accountants, especially with a little experience, do very well in strategy, where they work very closely with the management of the organization in devising, crafting, analyzing strategies. So I would say these are the top 5 job roles I've seen CMA US candidates excel at in 2025. Now, if you want to understand what kind of salaries you can earn in these roles at the start of your career with a little experience, we've got an entire video. Please do watch that. तो आपको सब figures भी up to date मिल जाएंगे. Now, if you're somebody who's interested in starting your CMA US journey, we are here to help. Please call us on the numbers flashing, book a one-on-one appointment. We will counsel you, we will tell you everything about the qualification. Most importantly, we will tell you if it's the right one for you or not. Good luck.